Let us see first what is meant by coordination. In any multicellular organism, there are various tissue systems and organ systems. For meticulous functioning of organisms, there has to be a perfect coordination among different systems or organs and various stimuli from their surroundings. Thus, we can infer that control refers to the systematic regulation of various activities, and coordination means the orderly execution of the activities. This attributes to an organism's proper growth and development. Let us perform one activity. Take out from the refrigerator the polythene bag in which vegetables are kept. After 5 minutes, remove the vegetables from the bag and feel the inside of the bag. What is your observation? We feel moisture inside the bag. Inside of the bag has become wet. Plants absorb water in which minerals are dissolved from the soil with the help of their roots. There has to be loss of water from the plant for this process. This loss of water is known as transpiration, which is brought about by the transpiring organs of the plants. Transpiration takes place in the leaves through the stomatal openings. This process is followed by ascent of sap in the shoot, that is translocation, and utilization of the absorbed minerals in various metabolic activities. For the above-mentioned processes to take place, there should be enough quantity of water with dissolved minerals in the soil where the plant is growing. Similarly, many processes take place simultaneously in animals. Man sees food, hands pick it up and put it into the mouth. The morsel of food is chewed in the mouth with the help of teeth and assisted by the tongue. The food is mixed with the enzymes in the saliva secreted by the salivary glands. The food is sent to the stomach for further biochemical reactions, and the complex food materials are broken down into simple forms such as glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. The digested food is absorbed into the blood and the undigested food is excreted. Thus, digestion, absorption, circulation, and excretion are interdependent. Oxygen is necessary to obtain energy from glucose and fatty acids. Oxygen is supplied by the process of respiration. It is clear from the above example that various organ systems function in synchronized manner. In short, we can infer that coordination is necessary between organs and organ systems that bring about all the interrelated life processes. Any disturbance at any stage due to lack of coordination or other factors can leave the desired process incomplete. In order to complete the process successfully, there has to be a perfect coordination between different systems and organs involved at every step. There should not be any kind of randomness of any nature at any stage of the process or activity. These systems should be effectively controlled and coordinated. This would provide the stability and maintenance of the steady state, that is, creation of a relatively constant environmental condition within any organism. In any organism, there should be a perfect system of coordination between internal activities due to water or enzyme level and temperature, etc., and such similar external environmental stimuli. The maintenance of the steady state by different systems of an organism for its optimal functioning because of a perfect coordination is called homeostasis.